Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine morning. I am doing well on this beautiful Sunday morning. I've been enjoying an amazing weekend. Yeah. I want to share it with you all. There is a young man here in our community. The name of his channel is Growing Out the Box. Well, Growing Out the Box reached his 1,000 subscriber count, and he decided he wanted to send me a gift. Yeah. But family, he did not only send me one gift, but he gave me two. So this is what he sent to me. Yeah, right. Thank you so much. This is an amazing gift. It's just truly amazing. So it is a metal garden bed. Well, look, let me. For you to send something to me that is so amazing and that will feed me and my family for years to come, I thank you so much. This is an amazing gift, and I thank you. I'm truly, truly grateful. I hope and pray that I can continue to inspire and encourage all of you all, not only to grow your own food, but to enjoy what you're doing in your garden. Enjoy it. Have fun. Baby, we only have one life. That's it. Enjoy your time and have fun in your garden. Create, baby. Yeah. But thank you to Growing Out the Box. I appreciate it. And your brother. Yeah. I didn't talk to him a lot, but Jody did. But thank you so much. Thank you, man. Cool beans. We're going to drop some more seedlings in it. Probably Tuesday when Jada get home from school. I'm looking forward to it. And yes, it will be called Growing Out the Box. Yeah, I'm gonna think just like that.